Welcome to Mohansh Technologies, everyone. So today we are going to be discussing about QuizKit. QuizKit. Okay, fine, whatever it may be. So this is a Python library or Python framework, which is going to be delivering multiple QML algorithms, which are going to be emerging technology like quantum computing. So you should be having the Python programming first. Everybody should learn Python programming. Yes, sir. It is needed, sir. You have to learn Python programming. Once you learn the Python programming, on top of that, we will be having the emerging technology called quantum computing using with QuizKit, 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 whatever it may be. Okay. So this is going to be having lot of QML. QML means quantum machine learning. QML means what? Quantum machine learning. Yes, exactly. So this is what actually I want. Actually, I am waiting for this. But thanks for IBM. Thanks for IBM. IBM is going to be giving this particular framework or library for quantum computing implementation. So qubit implementation. So IBM already have the lot of setups to implement the qubits, to implementing the quantum computing, guys. Okay, let me show IBM's QuizKit. Yes, come to IBM. Yeah, IBM. Thanks, IBM. IBM have quantum. Can you go with the quantum here? IBM have quantum technology, QuizKit. Oh my God, so a lot of things. Let me go for IBM Quantum. IBM Quantum is building a large scale fault tolerant quantum computer. In 2029, they delivered. We will deliver a system accuracy runs 100 million gates on 200 logical qubits. Oh my God, one qubit is superpower. It is actually released already 200 logical qubits, unlocking the first viable path to realizing the full power of quantum computing. Oh my God, this video is emerging. So much powerful. So much powerful. So bring useful quantum computing to the world. IBM Quantum is full stack quantum computing provider. Access the world's largest fleet of utility scale quantum computers and performed QuizKit software to explore the demonstration of the scale quantum advantages. Yes, I need to go to the QuizKit. I don't want to waste my time. I just want to go to the QuizKit. QuizKit. Come. QuizKit. Yes, QuizKit. Thanks, QuizKit. QuizKit is the world most popular and performant software stack for the quantum computing and algorithms research, build, optimize, and executing quantum workloads at a scale. Exactly, guys. This is working with IBM. You have to register with IBM. You have to register with IBM. Okay, I will show the lab in the coming classes. No issues with that. Yes, come to the part. Come to the part. Then opens. Oh my God! One more important miracle. This is open source. No need to pay a single rupee. No need to pay a single rupee. Oh my God! 13 million people already downloaded. Super. 13 million people already downloaded. And open source quantum software for large scale executions. 74% developers prefer quantum QuizKit as primary SDK according to the Unitary Foundation. 74% means it is not a small thing. All quantum people are actually coming to the only QuizKit. And 63x faster translation time according to the bench press toolkit. 7K plus dependent projects. Oh my God. This number of projects already started. Where I am now. Yes, I want to jump into this. Okay, let me go one by one. Quantum is the software to choice the era advantage because of it offers the most comprehensive suite of open source tools for advancing research across the stack, experimenting fast transpile, which prefers workloads 63x faster than the next leading SDK. Oh my God, super, super. Okay, so this is the architecture basically. You can see this documentation, and these guys are going to be giving, oh my God, quantum information science toolkit. Python, 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 everywhere Python. If you know Python very well, you can play with the QISKit and you can write all the algorithms inside it. Yes, yes, yes. Exactly. I got a different kind of documentation, different kind of suit here. Get started introducing QuizQuit installation process. Then we will be having IBM Quantum Platform development workflow and QuizQuit functions, circuit functions, application functions, templates, tools. There are a number of tools, guys. Sir, in 45 days, we see miracles. We will see miracles. Don't pay 3 lakhs, don't pay 6 lakhs, don't pay 5 lakhs for quantum computing. Okay, so Mohansh Technologies is going to be giving this particular quantum computing course within 45 days. Within 45 days, I will explain all the mathematics which are related to the quantum computing, like a linear algebra, vectors. Okay, this kind of mathematics, so many people are actually thinking like maths is typical. No need to worry about it. I will explain all the mathematic concepts in the easiest way. I just like that with the diagrammatic way. I will explain all the mathematics which are related to the quantum computing, linear algebra and vectors, and this kind of probability kind of thing. Quantum computing have only one mantra called probability. I already told a qubit. What qubit performance? What when we spin the coin, the coin spinning state. The coin spinning state is the superposition. That superposition have some mathematics. Yes, we will discuss all the mathematics here. Okay, so circuit operations, transpilers, debugging tools, primitives, execution modes, managed jobs, IBM quantum computers, visualization. Super, super, super. Oh my God. QuizKit serverless, QuizKit add-ons, QuizKit code assistant. Each and everything I will explore you within 45 days. Don't waste your time. Don't waste your time. Don't waste your money, guys. 3.5 lakh, 5 lakhs is not a matter. Huh? Why people are actually paying for quantum computing 3.5 lakh and 6 lakhs and 5 lakhs? Don't pay that smart that much amounts. Yes, come and learn with us. Within 45 days, I make you zero to master. If you don't have any skill, don't worry, don't worry, don't worry. I already uploaded a lot of Python videos in the Mohansh Technologies YouTube channel. You go and watch. English is there, Telugu is there. Sir, why Telugu, sir? Sir, a lot of people are not able to understand English still so far. For that people, I'm uploading the Telugu videos also. You watch English and Telugu Python videos first. Come and learn with me. Come and learn with Mohan's Technologies. This QuizKit is, I love QuizKit. I love it. I love it. Why? Why? Because of this QuizKit is giving me all the QML algorithms for the quantum computing. Super, sir. Super, super. Okay, okay. Sorry. Next video, I just want to install the QuizKit and I will show the lab. Like the video, share the video, subscribe the channel. If you like the video, please share with your friends and colleagues also. Mohan's Technologies is not going to be giving only quantum computing. Mohan's Technologies is going to be providing a lot of other emerging technologies. Why? Because of Mohan's target is only emerging technologies we have to provide. Like we have the blockchain Web3.js, we have the blockchain Python, we have the ethical hacking, we have the AML KYC, we have the SOC, we will be having the PingFederate, Ping Access, CyberArk, Okta, all identity access management, cyber security related things. Cyber security never dead. Why? Because in IT, data is increasing. We need a security also important. For that, cybersecurity tools are very, very important. Nobody knows about IAM trainings. Nobody know about the IAM technologies. But Mohan's only providing ping federate, ping access, cyber or Okta. Nobody is going to be providing the real-time scenarios. We are the real-time employees. We are not trainers like different kind of thing. We are real-time employees. We are already working, guys. We are already working. Our all trainers are real-time employees, like 15 plus, 16 plus years of experience, people. You take the opportunity. You took the opportunity and learn the quantum computing, emerging technology, improve your skills with very less price. Very less price. Just contact with us. Please provide your comments and like the video, share the video, subscribe the channel, click on the bell icon. Okay, in the next video, I will explore how QuizKit can be installed in your system. No need to pay any money. This is open source. Oh my God, I shocked. Huh? Super. Okay, thanks. We'll meet in the next video with a different kind of topic. Bye for now. Have a good day. See you. Signing off. See you. Bye bye.